Morning.
Hello.
Oh no, I can't say morning.
It's afternoon.
Is it yet?
I have no idea.
Hang on, let's have a look. Uno momento. No, it's still morning. We can say morning.
Welcome to day, however many it is now.
Yeah, we've lost track now. We've had a very lazy morning. It's,
Washing.
Yeah, it's 11:30. What have we done? Some washing.
Literally did washing and sat and you went in the pool, didn't you, with your nephew?
And now we're off to Disney Springs. Mine's up here.
I've treated myself to full fat Coke.
And I'm trying a very, very orange Fanta. It tastes exactly the same, but it's extremely orange coloured. And that, if you hear that beeping in the background, is actually the boat.
You better see it in a minute.
One of the nice things about Port Orleans is you can get a boat into Disney Springs. So, I think the bus...
Louisiana lady.
Ah, very nice. I think the bus is quicker, but the boat's more fun.
And the bus, you've got to walk all the way over to the bus stop, but we're here now.
Yeah, it's too much effort that, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're not in for that lark. Can't forget my cup.
I need to twist my lid.
Oh, I'll sort that in a minute.
End up spilling it. That's fine, I can take it.
And we're off to get our lunch.
Yeah, and walk around Disney Springs, which is kind of shops, isn't it, really?
Yeah, shops and restaurants.
Yeah. We went looked a little bit, didn't we, last time, but we came home.
You hold that a minute? I'm going to empty out my ice into the bin. Now, did you say anything while I was gone?
No.
No. Just got a picture of Laura just drinking out a drink.
It was cloudy, but I mean, it's still definitely warm.
There is threat of rain today, so we might see our first bout of rain. Oh, I left the umbrella in the room. Oh well, I ain't going back now.
We just go inside.
Yeah. But we're going to head over to Hollywood Studios later. We're going to watch Laura's going to thoroughly enjoy the Star Wars Spectacular.
I wish I was a fan.
Well, you would be if you
Only I was.
Yeah, but you won't watch the films. How can you be a fan if you won't watch the films?
Because I don't like Star Wars.
Yeah, but you haven't watched Star Wars, so how do you know you don't like Star Wars?
Just no.
There is logic in her madness somewhere, I'm sure.
I like Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
It's my favourite park. And Flight of Passage is my favourite ride.
Yeah.
If I hadn't said that about a million times already.
And second's definitely Rock and Roller Coaster.
Yeah.
I think if it wasn't for Flight of Passage, mine would be Soaring, yours would be Rock and Roller
Yeah.
Coaster. Anyway.
We'll get on that.
We're getting on the boat. Yes, we were hanging back a little bit because we didn't want people looking at us strange for talking to a camera. It's not too wobbly. Oh look. There's not a care in the world.
Just watching what we're doing.
Yeah, keeping an eye on us. Make sure we're behaving. Keeping ourselves in line. Louisiana lady. It is a shame we're not. I don't think we've got time to eat there. But I do think it's very well themed. The elephant. One of the best photos I took is of the alligator, or crocodile, whatever you want to call it over here. I didn't have to edit the photo at all, and it came out like really freaky looking, really spooky looking. I took it at night and it had smoke coming out from behind it, and I did no editing, did no changing the photo, and it looked amazing. Huh? What are you talking about? If I can, I'll put the photo up so you can see it. But yeah, At night it looks really freaky with the lights and the smoke and everything. Right. Do you know where D-Luxe Burger is?
No.
I don't. Find out. It just moved. I didn't know it moved. It moves. I did not know it moved. Oh, and it steps forward. Imagine being sat on the wall when you didn't know that thing moved. That would freak the hell out of you.
Oh, wow.
Right, let's find some shade. And some Wi-Fi. Any Wi-Fi? Yes. Find out where D-Luxe Burger is. Want to look in the Lego shop? Yeah? Look at the Buzz Lightyear. To infinity! It's not flying, it's falling. With style. Oh. Oh. Hello. Not surprisingly, this is probably one of the busiest stores here. Still just wow. $800.
Is that cheaper than buying it in England?
I can't remember. The funny thing about that is the tax that you pay on that is still more than I'd want to pay on Lego.
Yeah. Busy in there.
Yeah. Didn't really want to hang around too long. Should we go in Unico then? Can we find me some t-shirts? $14. $14.90. I could probably justify that for a t-shirt. That is quite nice. I don't mind white t-shirts, just don't prefer them.
Yeah.
That's quite cute.
Unless you want a Mickey one.
Well, I was thinking maybe something like a Star Wars one. I have actually got on a Star Wars t-shirt today, and I got this one from Asda.
No, Sainsbury's.
Sainsbury's, sorry. Spider-Man. What's that one? Florida? I like that one.
Do you like it?
I like that one. No, I still wouldn't mind that. Well, what about this blue one, Laura? Hold it up.
All the different places there's Disney.
Hmm.
I like that. And you can
like
wear
that.
that
Normally.
outside, do you think, as well?
Have they got an extra fat bugger size? Are they down the bottom? I'd get XXL if they've got it. Oh, they've only got up to XL.
They might have to...
Down the bottom?
Oh no, look. XL.
Well, try and grab an XL.
There's one here.
Are you sure that's not saying extra small?
No.
That's an extra small. Okay, yeah, fine. Oh, that would fit, wouldn't it?
Enough.
Yeah, that would fit.
I'll keep on top.
Is it $10?
$14.90.
Oh yeah, 14. Keep hold of it though. I don't mind that.
Yeah.
What's on the second floor? Let's go up. Oh, I'm gone now. Oh, remember that one. I'll have to catch it on the way back down. Right back there.
Yeah, just tucking all the bits in.
Hope she's talking about the bag. Right. This is the heaviest, not heaviest, this is the fullest my bag's felt since we've got here. So, do we want to do World of Disney now? Or do we want to save that to when we're kind of towards the end of the holiday and we know how much money we've got?
We can do it now, and then we know what we bought, what we want to buy, and then we've got left.
My only worry is time, if you want to have a look around any other shops. If we look around World of Disney, that's kind of it.
Alright with that.
Yeah, okay. Practically perfect in every way.
Get it for your mum for Christmas.
Well, think about that. It's not a bad idea. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Dropped. Oh. Me and Laura just seem to have a habit of dropping things. In it goes. There we go.
You're going to take it with you?
Think about that one.
Oh no, she might watch the video and see it.
I know. I keep thinking, you keep going, I'm going to buy this for such and such, I'm going to buy this for such and such. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to have to edit that out.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to have to like bleep it. You should buy that for beep. You should buy that for beep.
We did shopping.
We did shopping.
But we can't reveal what, because I've bought presents for people that might be watching.
Yeah, so
I
we
know
can't...
that Ivy will be watching.
Yeah, we bought a few presents today. It wasn't as bad as it could have been.
No, you could go crazy, couldn't you?
Oh, just... If you gave me no spending... Sorry?
We need a food place.
We're not far from it.
So should I leave my sunglasses?
Yeah, you might as well. You could go nuts in there. If I had no spending limit, I'd walk out with just everything. And more. And more. We got about an hour left before we want to get the bus to Hollywood Studios. So we're going to go and get some lunch. Burger time. And we just got an hour to find where we're going. And it's really, really busy. I'm wondering if people go to the parks that Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday come and do their shopping. But it could just be busy because it's Disney. I don't know. Yeah. This new section of Disney Springs is very nice. And I think what they've done really well is they've made it... It doesn't look new either, does it? Doesn't look like it's just kind of popped up. They've, for lack of a better term, aged the building well.
But the only thing with this...
Sorry, what was that?
The only thing with this bit is because this is stuff that you could get at home.
Yeah.
You feel rain.
We're in the queue for D-Luxe burger. And if I hold the camera upwards, you might get some drips. Definitely something coming. So maybe this might be the right time to go in and get food. But there is a bit of a queue. He said, you only took what, 10, 20 minutes? Yeah, so I'm not bothered. What were you having? Chicken?
Cluck burger.
Cluck. And I'm having the barbecue burger. Not exactly what I would normally have, but I'm going to be a bit brave. Just no barbecue sauce because I don't like sauces.
I'm sure we'll still be alright with snacks, won't we?
We will be. Yeah, we haven't. We just stood in the queue for what, 35 minutes. We weren't an hour. 35 minutes for a D-Luxe burger, and it cost us 1 quick service and 2 snacks for a burger and fries. That's not what the guy in the queue said, was it? I'd say you're probably better off paying for that than using your meal credits.
But we didn't use quick service yesterday.
No, I'm not bothered. I find it.
Oh yes, we did.
Yeah, we only used one there and we shared it.
Oh yes.
But it just annoyed me. I think it was just standing in the queue for that long.
Well, it just better be a nice burger.
The boats look lovely.
Yeah.
We saw them coming out, but I think something must have gone wrong at the till because when we got into the building, it went really quickly. We stood outside for, yeah, most of the time we didn't move. Oh well. We're done now.
What we're going to do is Just realised we have a tracker on the. Oh, it's flashing now on the table. But this is the worst thing to give Craig because he'll be thinking about whether it's in the right place, whether it's upside down. Oh, it's flashing. It's not flashing. Does that mean it's not working? I just know there's all the things that are going on. Oh, it's flashing now, Craig. These are all the things that are going on in Craig's mind. I know him so well. It's stressing you out, Craig?
Just a little bit. Look, it's centre now, it's fine.
Yeah, but it's not flashing now though.
Yeah, but the top's lit up, so it's okay.
Okay. Oh, now it's flashing. Oh, that's not ours. They were before us though.
Yeah, they were.
So we should get ours.
It's here. It's here. The fries are really nice. They're called fresh cut fries. They're really nice. Oh, thank you very much. So I mean, I got the barbecue burger, no barbecue. Not sure about the cheese. It's the only thing I'm a little bit interested to find out.
That's in the big tasty.
That's Emmentaler. Gouda.
This would be the same sort of thing.
I'm going to eat it anyway. I'm hungry now.
So mine.
Oh, and Laura got the, what was it? Cluck burger.
So it's chicken. Basically. You couldn't have guessed that.
Chicken burger. Right, let's dig in. I thought it was a bit extreme. They give you this kitchen roll holder. I don't know what else to call it.
So I call kitchen roll.
Yeah. On your table. But after eating that burger, I know why. That was one juicy burger. There's actually like, you can actually see like there. There's actually like I'm not a messy eater, am I? I'm normally quite good. I don't like getting food everywhere, and even I struggled. That was yeah, that was maybe not worth a quick service meal, and then a snack for the fries, but worth a go, worth a try on the burger, but maybe pay for it.
Yeah, it's alright, but not worth the credit.
Yeah, like it was something like $9, $10 for the burger. Considering you can get a quick service, it's like $15, $20. Nah. But not worth a quick service, worth a try though. 100% worth a try. You agree?
The chips are really nice.
Anything one.
That's strong garlic. You get dipping sauces with the chips, and we've got garlic ranch, barbecue. That's some strong garlic in there.
When you're going to do garlic, do it properly.
I like garlic.
Laura's in getting ourselves refill before we head over to Hollywood Studios. And we're going to have to come back here at night because I think this would look lovely. The little spring, I suppose this is the spring of Disney Springs. Looks really nice. Ooh. I'll wait for Laura. Now, pre-warning, if you want to come to the D-Luxe Burger, you're coming at lunchtime, that little sign there that says 10 minutes is not a 10-minute wait. That was at least a 25 to 35 minute wait just to get there. Oh. However, I am quite full, so happy. We're going back to Hollywood. Might try and see if we can catch the Citizens of Hollywood show as well.
Yeah, well,
While we're there.
yeah, I'm up for show day.
Show day.
Yes.
We have pretty much booked everything that involves sitting down.
Yeah. Just, you know, it's
Less
Sunday,
queues, more
nice
sitting.
chill day.
That's the point.
So we'll go for a wee when we get there.
Alright. Priorities.
Go find the bus stop.
I think it's this way.
Oh, Alex and Annie, there's those bracelets.
What are you doing? What's that one?
Because they've got that Cinderella one. I quite like it doesn't have a picture. It says a dream is a wish your heart makes.
Yeah.
But I prefer Beauty and the Beast over Cinderella.
Can I ask the question?
Yeah.
How much?
45.
We're in a strange place.
Yeah, it's not our bus stop.
No.
And our first bit of rain.
Oh, we've got to do the essentials, straightening the fringe. We did discover today that you cannot get from
Disney Springs to a park.
Yeah, Disney Springs to any of the parks. So the guy recommended jumping on a bus to French Quarters and then to Hollywood Studios. I thought we should have gone to Yacht and Beach Club and then changed, but we missed that bus, so we're here now. And we've got 5 minutes or so till the Hollywood Studios bus turns up, which probably actually will be about perfect timing for our Indiana Jones show. Oh no, it's 4:20. Oh, anyway, whatever. Whatevs. We've actually got our first, and I wouldn't even call this a proper storm, but our first Florida rain.
And we haven't even got an umbrella or anything.
No, but we're going to be on the bus, and then we have to stand in the bus stop till it stops. Yeah. But looking up at the sky, it doesn't look like it's going to start long. You can see grey, blue, grey, blue. No, I won't keep doing that. Oh.
Is that thunder?
Nope. If it is, it's the longest thunder I've ever heard in my life. We got our first private bus. We're the only ones on here. Kind of eerie. But Laura still wanted to sit back. Oh well. I don't know how windy this thing will be because of the fan.
What will it get windier?
Right over here, the wind.
Oh.
We made it to Indiana Jones. We did have a quick stop off at Tower of Terror. Yeah, we sat at the back row. I was in the middle, and yeah, that was worse. That was more intense.
I'm sure you come about this foot off.
It feels that way. I don't think it is that far, but it feels that way. Yeah. Now we are just waiting. Oh, someone's shouting something. I don't know what she said.
No idea what she said.
I think it was Scream Loud. We've done Indiana Jones and Little Mermaid.
The Indiana Jones was good, but
yeah.
I think they need to do more stuff and less faffing about.
Yeah, Laura doesn't like the faffing about. I find it funny. The punching bit, I won't spoil it, is really good.
The Little Mermaid was good.
Sorry?
The Little Mermaid was good.
Yeah, that's only because you got wet. You don't like getting wet.
I said it was good.
Oh, it was good. Sorry, I thought you said it wasn't good.
I thought the woman wasn't a very good singer.
I think she was a good singer. I think they just didn't have her mic up enough. She was really quiet. Like, I couldn't really hear her.
No.
And when the music started, she just got drowned out, bless her. So I don't really think that was her fault at all. Oh, I'm losing Laura. Well, we're going to do a little bit of shopping, a quick bit of shopping, and then we're going to watch the Star Wars fireworks display. We've got some very important shopping to do first, which won't be on camera, so see you in a bit. Bye.
Disney's Hollywood Studios presents Disney Movie Magic. Now your host, Walt Disney.
How long is it since you've had a world premiere? Well, of course, the big important premiere was Snow White, but we had a couple after that. This is madness.
I really loved that. It was amazing. The only thing is, it's going to bug me now. I'm going to have to ask someone. Only fireworks seem to be going off on the right hand side. Didn't ruin it, but I just want to know. Oh. Was there supposed to be fireworks on the left? What did you think? You're not a Star Wars fan?
Again, I shall repeat what I said earlier. Shame I'm not a fan.
Well, you will be. We watch the films.
It's just loads of Star Wars stuff.
Yeah, but that's... Oh, just...
That's the point.
Just people rage comment, please. Please, just rage. How can you say I wish I'm a fan and then refuse to watch the films? Yeah, but you've not watched the films. Oh, that's pretty. You can tell I'm the one who gets easily distracted. Right, we are now going home. Well, not home. Well, yeah. Our home from... Oh, I don't know how to explain it. We're going back to the resort. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
I've just been shamed on the bus.
Shame.
Yeah, we were standing up. I was standing up the whole bus ride back, and the stop before ours, I sat down, and this American guy opposite went, "Hey, you've been on a ride with me today." I was like, "No," but yeah, you went on the Tower of Terror. And I realised, I was like, "You scream like a girl! You proper freaked out!" Like, oh.
I'm normally that guy.
My brother was taking a lot of enjoyment out of the fact that I got recognised for being a big girl on a ride. Not fun. Are we going to film any more today, Laura? Should I just take the camera and we can photograph dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. What was your thoughts on today?
I can't really remember it, to be honest with you.
Disney Springs?
Yeah, that was good. Shopping.
Yeah. What did you buy?
They knew what I bought.
I don't know if they actually know we brought it, because I didn't film buying it, because that guy interrupted.
Oh, I bought Alex and Arnie bracelet. They have a dream. A dream is a wish your heart makes. And some Christmas presents.
Which we won't tell you about, because this vlog might come out before Christmas.
Yes, we will come up for that.
We will do a haul though, which we'll put out after Christmas.
Yeah.
Then we went to Hollywood Studios. I really like the Indiana Jones show. It's a good one. It's a good show. And the Star Wars. But you just know, we just told you about the Star Wars.
Yeah.
It feels like ages ago for us, but it was like a minute ago for you.
Our little recap, so basically we're talking about the things we've already shown.
Yeah, but I don't care. I'll edit it out if it looks terrible. You shush.
You can get ready.
You get ready. We gotta go for dinner.
I'm just gonna wash my face and my fringe.
Yeah, I'm gonna actually jump in the shower. It was sweaty today. Oh, then up early tomorrow. Where are we going?
Universal.
We're going for dinner, Laura. We are going. We are going for dinner. Put the crisps down. Put the crisps down.
No.
You're being shamed. Shame. 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 Alright. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.